Fabulous channel. Welcome to the City of Sin. If you all are new to the channel, stopping in for your first time, my name is Ryan. I will be your host for this adventure, but we are at the MGM Grand in the Staywell room. I'm going to do a quick room tour for you all. So we are staying in 14107 here at MGM Grand. And as with all these hotels and casino, the back will kind of give you a map on where you're located here within this hotel and casino. There's no smoking in here. This acts as your deadbolt, so just flop that up. You got your deadbolt there. Off to the right hand side, directly right as you enter the room, it's going to be the bathroom. This is pretty familiar with, or pretty similar to, I should say, to the presidential suite that my buddy Rex had the last time we were in Las Vegas. So nice kind of marble sink there, little storage rack and everything like that. Light in the mirror is pretty sweet. So as you can see, little storage racks, garbage can, really nice mirror, that's pretty sweet. Over here you have the commode. Nice artwork painting there. It's not painted, but looks pretty sweet. And over here we do have the shower. Very similar to the presidential suite shower that my buddy had in the other one. So, yeah, it's a pretty deep tub, not too terribly deep, but fairly decent size. Probably not big enough for me, but if you're a little bit smaller, that might work out for you. And then this is the room. So we are in, like I said, the Staywell room. So this is like their air purification system. Kind of purifies the room, and it's supposed to help rejuvenate you. Full-length mirror directly in front of you. That way you can see what you look like before you go down to the casino floor. The casino floor is open. There were quite a few people when we first got here, but I think that's because it literally just opened. So was a little bit busy for my liking, but it's Vegas and it just reopened. My buddy Rex right here getting ready to go out and help me with this filming adventure this time. We did get the double queen room here at MGM Grand, and safe is right down there, right underneath that end table, end cap there. Directly behind me is the TV, and it's also got the cups, real glass for water, your ice bucket to go get ice and stuff like that. Got plugins for HDMI, VGA, S-Video. I don't even know who uses some of that stuff anymore. Power plugins there. They do have this really nice desk station that I will be plugging away at some of these videos for you guys. So you guys can see the nice little desk chair setup that they have there. They have a nice little seating lounge area for two. So that's a place where you can sit back, relax, enjoy a beverage or two. And everybody always wants to see what the outside of the room looks like, or what the outside view looks like. So I usually will show you that, but I usually save that kind of until the end. Ooh, don't do that to me. So there we go, guys. We got a strip view room, New York, directly across, Park MGM over there. You'll see the Aria and the Cosmo is a little bit further down. You can kind of see the edge of the Bellagio and the edge of Caesar's Palace. Traffic seemed to be moving pretty good within the city. Construction's still going on the strip, so it's a little bit difficult to get around still on the boulevard, but use those secrets like we told you. Sammy Davis, Frank Sinatra, and Koval. So those are secrets of Las Vegas. You'll have to check out some of the other videos, but I think I will end the video off here with this awesome view of Las Vegas Boulevard. But thank you guys for tuning in for today's video. If you do like it, be sure to like the video, share this with your friends and family, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Until next time.